students, welcome back to this channel with me, Miss Liana. Today we will learn about animals and things and how to say it correctly. So please pay attention, listen carefully, and enjoy the video.
Have you ever gone to the zoo? What did you find there? Did you find a lamb, a tiger, an eagle, an elephant, or maybe a lion? And how about animal around your life? It may be in your house, outside your house, and your environment. Yeah, you can find a dog, a cat, an ant, or maybe a bird. Can you mention any other animal in English? You have seen many animals. And now, let's discuss about things. Many things around us. Let's discuss it in English. In this picture, what things can you find? Now, we will talk about the article and the use of it. Article are a, an, and the. They come before a noun. A noun can be a person, a place, or a thing. Back to article, which are classified as indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite article are a and an. A and an can only be used for countable noun. That is used for explaining general things or unspecific things. It is used with singular noun. To make you easier to understand, a and an has meaning in bahasa Indonesia as sebuah, seekor, sehelai, sebiji, dan seorang. A can only be used for consonant sound. For example, a camera, a pencil, a plane, a book, a chair, a bee, a cow, a lamp, a pig, a fish, a tiger, a mouse. Examples in a phrase: a 1-pound coin that starts with consonant sound. So we can conclude that the use of a here as a plus consonant sound. As in the example, the words start with P, C, B, L, T, M. Whereas an, we use this before vowel sound A, I, U, E, O. For example, an office, an umbrella, an apple, an island, an anwa, an ant, an iguana, an octopus, an ostrich, an eel, an eagle, and an elephant. O, U, A, and I here are pronounced as vowel. How about this example? An university. Is it right? No, it is different with an umbrella. The pronouns of you is different when an umbrella is pronounced as a vowel. Umbrella. And university is pronounced as a consonant, U. So we cannot use an for university, but a university. Another example: an iron, an onion, an apple, an hour, an interesting book, an honest face, an FBI agent, an M.Pd player. The next is article the. It is used to show specific noun or thing. The form of the words can be singular and plural. For example, the book, the books, the umbrella, the umbrellas, the chair, the chairs. The axe, the axes. The iron, the irons. The words are called specific when the things or noun is already mentioned before, so we can determine is it a singular or plural noun. Other than that, the second time you talk about a noun in a phrase, or the listener, the speaker, readers are already know the noun that you talk about. Now try to answer these questions. My brother buys. The answer is a toy. I wear. The answer is a uniform. Dogs are barking. The answer is the dogs are barking. Beautiful chairs are bought from Jepara. The answer is the beautiful chairs. I see elephant in the zoo. The answer is an elephant. Octopus lives in the sea. The right answer is an octopus. In summary, we have learned articles that are a, an, and the. A is indefinite article that is used for singular noun and consonant sound. And an is indefinite article that used for singular noun and vowel sound. Whereas the is definite article that's used for specific noun, plural and singular, consonant and vowel sound. That's about article.